what's really going on. Bitcoin, crypto, and currency. We're looking at XRP price action interacting with potential sell pressure and resistance present at $1.09. Looking to give price action a hard time moving forward. However, we do have buy pressure present potentially around $1.03, which is currently the 0.5 Fibonacci level. Price action being squeezed between some key levels here. We're in a very tight range, causing this aggressive phase of sideways. We do experience this kind of sideways price action within these ranges throughout the beginning of September here before we experienced a break downward. At the moment, I'm looking for some technical confirmations of this breakout before I can start comfortably accumulating around current levels. We do have one of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action. However, we will need a second robo advisor to suggest upside to use that as a bullish confirmation of accumulation. When we consider our previous buy signals coming into play for XRP, we have the buy 1 on the 21st of July, and then about a week later, on the 27th of July, the buy 4 comes into play just before the moon signal, which showed up the day after. However, EngineeringRobo members know to accumulate once 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors have become bullish on price action. So after accumulation, over the following 41 days, we experienced up to 119% in gains. Easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into just about $22,000 just by sitting around smelling it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 75% in gains if you closed your position around $1.12 per XRP when EngineeringRobo became bearish. And as you can see, we did experience some downside here over the following couple weeks. We actually experienced up to 24% in downside before showing signs of becoming bullish again. At the moment, I believe further confirmations of bullish upside from this level need to be made before I can start comfortably accumulating. Right now, accumulating within this zone here may be subject to the highest risk of short-term downside, in my opinion, as we may experience another break downward through this 0.5 line, which we experienced back on the 20th of September here. Say we fail to hold that level of support and we make our way downward. I would not be surprised if we have a quick interaction and bounce off of what appears to be potential support around 96 cents. In my opinion, that could be the kind of key level that we return to here before making our way upward. Once we are to and through $1.09 and we've perhaps interacted with it as support, I can get more comfortably bullish on the uptrend continuing from current levels. At the moment, we're way too close to potential resistance, in my opinion, and there isn't really signs of strong support beneath us, in my opinion, as well. If we have some interaction downward toward these levels of support, that can further solidify the buy pressure present near them. However, in my opinion, I do believe we are looking for those further confirmations to solidify areas of support for us. I do believe a very bullish area of technical support present and significant buy pressure would be around 81 cents all the way down to 78 cents. In my opinion, that would be a more bullish area of accumulation for us, and I could remain bullish on price action as long as 78 cents remains as support. Currently, we're above $1. I believe perhaps $1 could be another psychological area of support for us as well. We're definitely between a very tight range of volatility here, looking for areas of support, in my opinion. So far, the only clear resistance present is $1.09, currently giving price action a very hard time. So right now, I'm looking for confirmations of this breakout. I want more robo advisors to become bullish on price action. We have the buy 1 coming into play, which is bullish for us. I would like a second robo advisor to suggest upside to use that as a bullish confirmation of accumulation. In my opinion, we're in a way too tight and volatile of range for me to be comfortably accumulating and expecting upside. Currently looking for a breakout. Buy signals are about to come into play. Let me know in the comment section down below where you think XRP will go. What are you doing at current levels? Where do you think price action is headed to? Have we found support? Are we at resistance? Are we headed to 0 or straight to the moon? But we're going to swap over to FIL against USDT. FIL coin price action making its way toward resistance here after finding support above $64.95, currently making its way toward my short-term target of $88.47. In my opinion, that is going to be potential resistance present. We'll have some interactions with, perhaps confirming that as support can allow us to accumulate at that level as well. Once support is found, I believe we are making our way toward $133, which is going to be a potential area of resistance for us before a more significant area of sell pressure, $162. So I do suspect there's very much room for upside here in this coin moving forward. We even have some EngineeringRobo buy signals returning. If we see our previous buy signals here, we have the buy 1 and buy 2 coming into play. Buy 2 closed on the 24th of July. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action, accumulating at that level, allowed you to experience up to 141% in upside over the following 43 days, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $24,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 70% in gains with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions if you close your position around $84.89 per FIL coin. At the moment, we're making our way above support around $64.83. We have several daily candles opening and closing above that support level, further solidifying it as support, in my opinion. We also have one robo advisor bullish on price action on the 6th of October there, the buy 2 coming into play. And as you can see with today's candle, the buy 4 wants to return as price action makes its way upward toward my target there. This candle has to close though to confirm this buy signal. Currently it is still in play, and we'll need to close to confirm this buy 4. If the buy 4 closes with this candle and the buy 2 is will still be present, that is now 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action above support, which does suggest a bullish area of accumulation for us, and I can suspect the upside will very much continue. I'm looking for, in the immediate short term here, $88.63. Once that level is conquered, I believe another perhaps area of significance will be $132, but the most significant area of resistance I suspect is going to be around $162. So that is my range for upside at the moment. We do have some bullish confirmations of the uptrend continuing, lots of buy pressure and demand present for this coin. Support around $64.76 would have been a more bullish area to accumulate. It is not impossible for us at all to have an interaction with it moving forward, perhaps after some resistance is found. At the moment, we're right in between potential resistance and support. So I believe accumulating at current levels would be a tad volatile. If we have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action, we can use that as a bullish confirmation of accumulation. However, at the moment, I am still looking for some technical confirmations and for this second robo advisor to become bullish with today's daily candle close. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with FIL coin. Now we're taking a look at Ethereum, ETH against USDT price action, looking a tad bullish in my opinion, as we find potential support above $3,455. Price action remaining above the 0.786 Fibonacci level can give me signs of support present at that level, and we can become more bullish on accumulation around current levels. I do see resistance overhead present, potential sell pressure around $3,923 per Ethereum. That is going to be a significant level that we interact with upon reaching it. I would like further confirmations of the 0.786 line as support, in my opinion. I do believe that is not significant support just yet. Daily candles opening and closing above that level would further solidify it as support. However, in my opinion, I would like further technical confirmations. We do have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action at current levels, which does suggest a bullish confirmation of accumulation. So I suspect the uptrend will very much continue, especially after this bullish interaction with support present around $2,969 per Ethereum. An interaction with that level as support from current levels would not be impossible at all if we experience any sort of downside. A bounce off of $2,979 per Ethereum would be a very bullish area of accumulation for us, and I would very much suspect the uptrend will likely continue. Price action currently too close to resistance for me to start comfortably accumulating. However, these robo buy signals in play does very much suggest the upside continuing, and we can get very bullish on price action, in my opinion, once further support is suggested at $3,455. In my personal opinion, that's what I'm looking for. I do believe right now would be a bullish time to be buying Ethereum with our robo advisors bullish on price action, especially with the whole incentive of the market at the moment. I believe the buy pressure is very much in play for the crypto sphere here, and we're making our way toward a potential $5,684 Ethereum, in my opinion, before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected. I very much suspect a perhaps $5,000 Ethereum. That is my target in the long term here. In the immediate short term, I'm looking for an interaction with $3,900 as resistance once support is found above $3,455. Let me know in the comments down below where you think Ethereum will go. Now we're going to swap over to Bitcoin, crypto, the currency. We're looking at price action attempting to find support and buy pressure above the 0.786 6 Fibba Zucchini level, $51,784 per Bitcoin as potential support for us. Bounces off of that level, and interaction with it can be very bullish confirmation of that as support. I see a more significant area of support for us though around $48,383 per Bitcoin. That would be a more bullish area of accumulation for us in my opinion, and if we come back down to and confirm that as support, that would be a very bullish retest of that level, and I could very much suspect the uptrend continuing off of it. I suspect resistance present at $58,853 per Bitcoin. That is going to be the next significant level of potential sell pressure I am considering before we interact with previous all-time highs. We have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action since the 1st of October here. So if you were buying Bitcoin with that as a bullish confirmation of accumulation, you've already experienced up to 16% in upside over the following week, currently sitting on more than 12% in gains with EngineeringRobo's buy signals. And at the moment, with today's candle, we have our 3rd chosen robo advisor attempting to become bullish. However, we will need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy signal. So at the moment, it's very hard to be bearish on Bitcoin. Things are looking very bullish in my opinion. I very much suspect the uptrend to continue. I've been bullish on Bitcoin all through this downside, all through this sideways. Very much expecting the uptrend to continue as soon as it is ready. I do believe we are approaching ready. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. In my personal opinion, there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times. And I believe right now we're looking at some of the best times to be buying Bitcoin before we are, long past all-time highs and perhaps interacting with $123,000 per Bitcoin at the end of this, bull run, if you will. I'm expecting a 6-figure Bitcoin over the next kind of few months here. In the immediate short term, I'm looking for interaction with $58,000 as resistance or $48,000 as support. Currently in the middle of that key range, I'm looking for confirmations of those levels as support. We got robo advisors in play. The uptrend very much wants to continue. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.